What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on HBAR. So if you are interested what I am currently thinking about this coin, what are the exact setups that I am currently watching here, and what is the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. Here we are currently testing this bearish order block, which is between level 0.270 and 0.257. You can see that in the long time perspective, we are in a heavy uptrend. So the only potential long position that I'm planning to take here is a long one. The exact long trade that we can take with this bearish order block can look exactly like this. So entry will be above this bullish order block after a support confirmation, because once we will confirm this previous resistance as a support, there will be, in my opinion, increased probability that this coin will go up. Stop loss in this case you want to place under this bearish order block, because again, if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, we are likely gonna retest this bullish order block, so there is no point of holding this losing position longer than is necessary. Last take profit target in this case I want to place under $0.4 mark, which will be, in my opinion, next important psychological resistance. If we will take a look on a daily time frame, you can see we are having here this previous important highs, so this is also an important resistance. You can see that on a daily time frame we are having here this bearish order block, which is starting on the level 0.2775 and 0.3046. For me, this lower area of this bearish order block is actually not that important, but the area that is important is this previous important high, so level 0.3050. So if we get back to that 4-hour chart, you can see that it's like really good to take a lot of profits after we will take liquidity above this important high, because a lot of people who will use this area to open here a short position, they will probably place their stop losses above this high. So there is, in my opinion, really high probability that we are gonna take that liquidity and then there can be reverse back down. So liquidity area above this previous important high is your main take profit target. Next take profits you can take around the level 0.3435, then you can save some back to a last take profit target, and if you want you can take some profits also in that bearish order block area. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio 9.7, the risk reward ratio is going to be around like 6, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really great setup. On the other hand, because we are still on a bearish side of this sideways channel, if there will be just a liquidity grab and we are gonna retest this bullish order block, then I will be waiting here for a liquidity grab under this previous important low, because you can see we already tested this this bullish order block area with this previous candle and we had perfect bounce, which means that we already took liquidity here. So for me to open here a long position in case of another dump, as I said, I want to see here a liquidity grab under this previous important low. Stop loss in this case I want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume we will take liquidity. This will be really perfect if we are gonna take liquidity under all of these previous important lows. So we will hit, for example, level 0.221, and then we will get back to this bullish order block. This will be really perfect setup. Then you can place the stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out. Let's assume stop loss will be around 8% of a net market, and last take profit target you can place on the exact same level, which will give you, let's say, slightly better profit but also bigger stop loss. So the risk reward ratio in this case will be 8.37. But in my opinion, if this will happen, this setup is better than this previous one on a bearish on this bearish order block, because here this stop loss is actually not that safe, and there is much higher probability that we are gonna take that liquidity, then there will be a liquidity grab under that low that we will create during the fake out. Potential take profit targets can also remain the same, but some of the profits you want to take under this bearish order block. So some profits you, for example, want to take on the level 0.2562, something like that, but this will still give you a risk reward ratio trade with at least 5. So yeah, in my opinion, this is another great potential trade that you can take here. Let's now switch to a 12-hour chart. You can see on this higher time frame, we are also having this important bearish and bullish order block. You can see this bearish order block is on, let's say, slightly different level, so you can use the level 0.2833 as a potential take profit target, but this liquidity grab will be the same. So if there will be a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows and then a support confirmation in this area, this can be really great long entry. In the long-term perspective, we already discussed this. There is this bearish order block. If you want to open your some long-term long position in the long-term perspective, I still want to see breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block. And on a weekly time frame, actually this chart is looking really great. Again, we are having here this bearish order block, so after a breakout and then support confirmation, I think next stop is like $0.8, maybe $1 mark, something like that. Actually, $1 mark is my price prediction for this bull market. So from current level, I'm still expecting we are gonna do profit around 300% of a net market, because if we will take a look on the all hype that is currently around this coin, I think we will push the price much higher. And also above this bearish order block, there is actually not high liquidity. We don't have here any important resistances. So yeah, in the long run, this is the last important resistance, and yeah, after that we can expect a bigger pump. And the last thing that I want to show you is a total 2 chart, because we just broke here this really important resistance area. And for me, like, if this candle will close above that 1.59, 1.6, for me, alt season already started. So I would love to see here some retest, and I want to open again larger amount of a long position, because next stop from this is definitely a liquidity grab above this previous important high, and next stop can be like another move around like 20% of a net market, something like that. And in the long-term perspective, I'm expecting we are gonna beat heavily this previous high that was from 2021, and I think we will beat it for at least like 100% of a net market. So I'm expecting we are gonna get to that level like 3.5. We can mark it for now. I'm expecting we are gonna get for that 3.5 level, something like that, which is from a current level still a potential pump for, let's say, all altcoins. But of course, altcoins with higher market cap are having much bigger impact on this chart, but I'm still expecting a pump around like 111% of a net market. So hey guys, for now I am really bullish. If you don't want to miss out on any of my new setups and trades, don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.